In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your computer's display settings to enhance the performance of DaVinci Resolve using Google's intuitive guide. Whether you're an experienced video editor or just starting out, having the right setup can make a world of difference in your editing workflow. Let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, let's get started by accessing your Windows settings. You can easily do this by clicking on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once there, you'll want to select the gear icon, which represents the settings. This will open up the Windows Settings menu where you'll find a variety of options related to your system's functionality and appearance. Next, within this menu, look for the section labeled System. Give that a click and you'll be ushered into a new window focused on the different aspects of your system's setup. Now within this system window, you'll see a sidebar listed on the left. From here, you need to click on Display. By selecting this, you'll open another set of options where you can tailor your display settings to better fit your needs. At this point, we're going to pivot our focus specifically towards graphics settings. Scroll down within the display settings until you locate the graphics option and click on it. This is a crucial step where we'll make the necessary changes to optimize DaVinci Resolve's performance. In the graphics settings, you'll find various applications listed along with their current GPU preferences. What we need to do is search for DaVinci Resolve. Once you find it, you'll want to adjust its GPU preference. Select DaVinci Resolve from the list, or if you don't see it immediately, use the Browse feature to locate it on your computer. When you have your application selected, click on Options, which will allow you to modify the GPU preference. Here, you'll notice two main options: power saving and high performance. For DaVinci Resolve, you'll want to choose the power saving option. This may sound counterintuitive, especially if you're seeking high performance, but in this context, it helps manage your system resources effectively and promotes efficient power usage, allowing you to maintain longer editing sessions without overwhelming your computer's hardware. And there you have it. These adjustments are now complete. Your GPU settings are now optimized for DaVinci Resolve, ensuring a smoother and more efficient editing experience. Just exit out of your settings and you're ready to launch DaVinci Resolve with these newly applied settings. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it aids you in getting the most out of your editing endeavors. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to enhance your digital experience. Thank you for watching and happy editing.